Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to make an archive backup of your iPhone or iPad or Mac. Before making a big change to your iPhone or iPad, like installing beta software or a major new version of Apple's operating system, you must make an archive backup of your device. Otherwise, you won't be able to downgrade and revert to your device's previous state if things go wrong. By creating an archive backup, you have a saved copy of the existing operating system along with all your settings and data to fall back on and reinstall should the worst happen. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, plug your iPhone or iPad into your Mac using the supported cable. Then allow the accessory to connect by clicking Allow in the dialog prompt. Then open a Finder window by clicking the Finder icon in the dock. Then click your iOS device name in the sidebar. If this is the first time you are connecting your device to your Mac, click on Trust in the Finder window. Next up, tap on Trust on your device when prompted and then enter your passcode to confirm. In the General tab, click the circle next to where it says backup all of the data on your iPhone or iPad to this Mac. If you want to encrypt the backup, check the box next to Encrypt Local Backup and then enter your password to protect your data. If you don't want to create an encrypted backup or you have already set up encrypted backups, click Backup Now. And that's pretty much it. When the backup is finished, you can find the date and time of the last backup in the General tab, just above the Manage Backup button. It's worth pointing out that this backup will not be overwritten when you manually or automatically backup your iPhone or iPad in the future, so you can restore it at any time by using the Restore Backup option in the same Finder screen, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily make an archive backup of your iPhone or iPad or Mac. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.